Okay, we're back. Alright, we got a bunch more parts. There's the light. Didn't have enough room in here, so I had to fill up more crap. So I got me the transmission roller bearings. I got to put the race to, rocker bushings, do the rocker arms. I got the kits here for all the different things. Thrust washer, the transmission, lots of them, all the lock tabs, and miscellaneous motor stuff in here. So snap ring and clips and stuff like that. And my last transmission main shaft. And the box of all the shift works, so we can set up the shift works. So I looked at the main shafts, and every one of them has issues with them. There's a little pit right there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's started. Another one right over there on the left side. Turn the light off, maybe that'll help, I don't know. See, there's pitting in there, here and there. It'll live for a little while, but we're trying to build a motor that's going to last for 10 years plus, so that's not this shaft here. It's already 80% done on its life. There's acid etching in there too. So that one's done. All my other ones are worse. Look at that one there. It's got a whole bunch of stuff going on that. Right in that area you can see it. There's a bunch more right there. It doesn't really focus in very well, does it? So, either way. My shafts aren't any better, and the other one's even worse than that. And this one I brought down, it's really bad. Probably was in a junk box. So, new shaft. Hopefully it works. It's not a Dixie one, so it should work. Alright, so we got to put up a new main shaft into the tranny, so we got to build that up. I put all the parts we're not using in that box over there, unless we need them, and they're there. We still got all these other stuff in these other boxes over here. And we got all this other stuff out of my way, so I got some room to work on my workbench now, because there ain't any room to work. So we just got things semi-organized. Okay, the pistons we got, we're over here. They are 50 over. The rings are. Pistons are too, imagine that. So we're going to check the fitment of our cylinders, see if they match up. And then we got the other box of stuff we went through over here. Here's the rod set. These have had new bushings put in already. So, and they've been honed. Don't know what they've been honed to, so I got to figure that out. And I'm going to check out his pinion shaft, see if I like it or not. And then we got to figure out what to do on cam gears. I don't like any of these, so I think we're going to throw them back in the junk pile. And then I got the other ones, I threw them, oh, they're in the machine. Later on tonight when it gets cooler outside, I'm going to go ahead and blast all that stuff right there. See if any of those cams I like. I doubt if I will. And we'll figure that out. Then I'll pull out the cam cover and see how all the bushings are. So that's going to be a major job doing all that. Okay, so where's my rocker arms at? They're over here. So if you work on sub-assemblies, I thought we already went through all these. Why do we got all these extra parts? Are these the good ones or the bad ones? There's only 3, so I'm assuming those are the bad ones. So you gotta double check these so I didn't mix them back where they're supposed to go to. These have not been deburred or modified. The ones I didn't use I did though, so I gotta work on those and re-blast them. I'm gonna do some rework here. Pick out the best parts. We know we're using these for sure. We know we're using these new gems lifters, which are lightly used. I think these are the 4 blocks we're going to use, so I'm going to double check that. And these are definitely 4 shafts we're going to use. Okay. So that's those. 3 rocker arms. We're missing a rocker arm. Right here. that we need. Okay, the oil pump is right here. We'll double check it. We'll give it a quickie rebuild. Check all the parts. That's not oil pump gear. That's an oil pump gear. That's an oil pump gear. There's oil pump gear someplace around here. Missing a narrow one. Here originally, there it is. Gonna need that for sure. So working all that stuff. These here, I gotta check these out. And we got our pinion shaft. Gotta check that out real closely. Sprocket shaft looked good already. Case race, I'm going to replace it because I already had a bad spot in the main shaft, so I'm not going to rip that. These here I do not like at all. Transmission stuff can go down there and that's in the box. We're just going to pull this stuff out in the junk box. Just going to go over there for now. I didn't like any of these, so they're going to go right in the junk pile over here. This one marks good. So we're going to keep this one off to the side. We might use this one, so we're going to keep it to the side. I got to check the fitment of the teeth, but that's the one I'm going to go with otherwise. Pinion shaft gears. Thrust washers. Goes right there with those. Okay, we got all our parts all sorted out. Not too much training stuff left, is there? These all got to be checked out and made sure they're going to be nice. We got to work out a tranny. So just put these all over here. They haven't been blasted yet. So I got to work out a transmission setup. Okay, not much left in this box anymore, is there? No, went through most all of it. Okay, so this is my rod aligning machine. Need to check the rods for alignment. Move on to all that. Okay, so mic at. First thing is check these shafts, make sure they were good. Okay, we'll be back.